Can magic. Hello MATLAB and Python users. Today I'll show you how you can create a function in MATLAB called myMagic, package it as a Python package and ship it as a Streamlit app. Let's move on. Let me show you first how you can see the result with the Streamlit app. Alright, here we go. It's going to use the MATLAB runtime, start it, and ta-da! You can generate a magic square which will be converted into a NumPy array. Here we go. Alright, so going back to the agenda. Step number one, I'm going to create a function in MATLAB and package it as a Python package. Let me go over here. This is my MATLAB function, myMagic. If I call it myMagic of 3, then I'm going to get this matrix, and then myMagic of 5, a random set of number of size 5 by 5. Alright, easy enough. Now let's create a project and let's compile it into a task. So what you can do is, here I already have one. I'm going to select this one. It's going to analyze the dependencies. I've called it mdeploy. I'm just gonna update it to 25A. This is the name of the folder that it's going to be, the folder structures that it's going to take, and all of the builds will be over here. So let me simply go on and package. It's going to create two types of artifacts. First, all of the setup.py that you need in order to install a Python package with pip install, and you will also have a standalone installer that you can also ship to your colleagues if they want to simplify up what is going on. We'll investigate that in a moment. Okay, so I guess 25 is not a valid number. Let me try that again, and I'm gonna call it with this type of versioning. Okay, this time it's been working just fine. Let me show you the output folder. Over here you have the package here that you can ship as a standalone executable. It's also going to enable you to retrieve the MATLAB runtime, and here you have a built folder that contains the setup.py, the Py projects, and everything that you need in order for you with the README to install everything. Alright, moving on. Step number 2. I'm gonna simply install the Python package. So let me go back into my terminal. Alright, here I am. I'm going to stop the Streamlit app. And I'm going to go into my output folder. cd output and into the build. Okay, so what I have here is a setup.py. Okay, so I'm going to pip install the local everything, processing, building the dependencies. By the way, I already have a MATLAB runtime available on this machine. Okay, all good. On to the next step. Now I'm going to fire up Python, and I'm going to import mdeploy, which is the name of my package. Now I'm going to give it a name as a namespace.m. Alright, it's just like an alias for the namespace, and I'm going to be initializing the connection to my runtime with this package mdeploy, and I have one function only in this. It's going to be my magic, and so what I'm going to do is I'm going to call m.myMagic of 5. Here we go, and I can cast it into a NumPy array, so I already have NumPy installed inside of this environment. So what I'll do is I'll do this, but np.array of this. Perfect. Okay, the last step for me will be to create a Streamlit app, which is going to be this simple script, importing Streamlit as st, importing my mdeploy, starting the runtime and caching it, and then just doing this simple magic square. So actually here I have a button, but I don't really need this. What I could do is simply modify this, and now I'm gonna rerun my app. So let me quit here, and now let me go back to the root of my repo, and here we go, starting the runtime again. And now every time that I change the value of my slider, it's going to recompute, and as you can see, it's pretty fast. So really nice. So this is it. You can find all of this in my GitHub repo, and here you'll have some instruction to also pip install this package that has been pushed inside of the repo. So it's also a nice way for you to show how you can install pip install from Git. And yeah, if you liked this video, feel free to subscribe to my channel and also share it with others. Thank you, bye bye.